happening is customers
Hi, Michael and Dion. We are going to buy cake for Michael's birthday. 4 years old.
Summer enjoyment. Or pick up a KO
Michael
ATV,
is 4 years
dirt
old
bike,
today.
hammerhead, go-kart, or whatever side-by-side we
Not
might have here in stock. Leone's, we sell
Michael is
fun.
4 years old. We are going to Kroger to buy
The 9th
cake.
Street Pub in LaSalle has been
Bye.
Illinois Valley's
See you
first
later.
choice for
Plus today, get free 25.
See you later.
PBR tunes all day. And
Michael.
tonight, live music with Andy Watkins and Big Ed Durgans.
I got brownies already. Which one do you like? You like this or the strawberries? Chocolate cake? Do you like that or this one?
I like this.
Or this one? Or this one? Oh, be careful! This one. You like this?
No.
No.
This one.
Which one? This one?
I like that.
Oh, really, Michael? You like that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? You don't like this? Strawberries?
Chocolate.
No? Okay. He likes this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so huge. Michael, look.
Ah.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Mapasubo tayo dito. Ang laki.
Apple trees.
That one, Michael? That's so big. Are you sure? You're gonna help me to eat this? I got brownies already, anak. Put it back in here.
Most in there. Why in there?
We're gonna buy this one, okay?
What's this so big?
This one, cookies and cream.
Wow.
Okay. Ito dyan. That's pink.
Come on, Dion, we're gonna sing happy birthday.
My God, gotta shake that chair.
Dion, gonna sing. Let's go.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
There they are. They're all lit.
Go off. Go turn around, okay?
Dion, come on, we're gonna sing happy birthday. Where you at? Tell them, Michael.
Let's go. Go sit down in that chair.
Michael, gotta shake that chair. Michael, gotta shake that chair. Oh my God,
Alright. Oh, sit down, sit down. Okay, sing happy birthday. Oh, sit down.
Michael.
Hold mommy's hand.
Ready?
Mommy's hand. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Okay, so go sing. Come here.
Gotta shake that chair.
Okay, remove me.
Birthday.
Yes, let's go. Come here.
Have fire. Look for the fire.
Then go sing.
Ready?
Ready, sing.
Let's sing.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. Again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dion. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow them out.
Yay! More.
Good.
There's one.
Good job.
Good job.
Yeah,
4 years old.
singing pretty good.
So.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yay!
You ready for Krita's
Alright.
birthday cake?
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, why?
Are you ready? Oh,
But we have to
Let it cool off.
do number 4.
let it cool off, bud. Okay?
Gotta take it off.
Yeah, you gotta let it cool off.
Gotta take it off. What's this?
That's a cake server.
Yeah, what's dangerous?
Oh, not dangerous, but it's not sharp.
Yeah, I might go wait to test
Yeah,
that.
it's dull. It's not sharp, buddy. It won't hurt. You want some cake, Dia? Want to try some cake? Oh, chocolate. Mm-hmm. Chocolate, huh? What's that, chocolate?
No, tasty, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. Tasty.
Happy birthday, Michael.
Michael's 4.
Yeah, but Michael's 3 years old.
Now you are 4 years old.
Now you're 4.
That's your age, 4 years old.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Here's
Cookies
another
and
cake.
He doesn't like.
Look at that. A big piece of cake for you. Mm.
Cut.
Want some cake, Dia? Huh? You can try. Good. Mm-hmm. Frosting here. Oh,
So no happy birthday.
yeah.
Happy birthday. I was on the 4.
Yeah, that's number 4.
Yeah.
Good job singing, Dia.
Yeah. Look at
The first time you were singing really loud, wasn't it?
Yummy?
Is that like a cookie?
No.
Oh, a cookie. Oh. Oh boy. Delicious. Delicious. Yeah, he's good man over here, Dad. You want to sit over here? You can sit in the chair.
You just sit the chair. You sit in the seat. Oh wow, what's in the back?
That's how far they shoot, Dave. Watch, babe. Yeah, powerful. Yeah, I got a nerve blaster. That's
Over
like
there, Michael.
Barbecue grill.
There's more inside, Michael.
Ah, wow, look at that. Look at it. Dion, come here. Dion, watch. Watch this. Dion.
You're inside, Michael.
Put them all. Both of them. Watch, Michael. Watch. Watch this. Look to the door. Look.
There's a milk truck, Dion.
A little powerful. I don't know if they can pull them. Yeah. Look. Yeah, look. Watch. I think I'm having more fun. You try? Here. Pull this down. Squeeze the trigger. Wait.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's Michael's refrigerator.
Pretty accurate. Gonna try the Here, pull this down.
There's more. There's one. Got more in here.
Got one in there already. Right here. Right. Oh, this one. Change these. This one. You're big enough. Yeah, he knows. He can do it. Here. I'll put one back in. Put it in there. Where's go get the top stuff. Here. Here. Okay. Put this in here. Put it in there. Alright. You gotta put it. It doesn't work yet. You gotta yeah, don't take this one. Okay, listen. See this? Pull. Don't squeeze it yet. Don't squeeze it. Pull this. Like that. Now. See? Yeah. Nice, huh? Good job. That fun? Hold it up, hold it tight. Okay. Point it at your face. Squeeze it. There, you did it. Some more? Yeah, you're sticking them to the door. Ah. Neato. Make sure they don't put these at their face. I didn't realize you're that powerful. Pull hard. Pull it. Don't put your finger on the trigger, buddy, when you pull it. Put your finger on the trigger. Hold it tight. Pull it. Pull it hard. Pull it hard. There you go.
Wow, boring.
Okay. Here. First we're gonna show you how to do it. Hold this. Hold this really tight. Hold it tight. There. Put the home dart in there. Now, point it. Aim it at the door. There you go. Squeeze it. Squeeze the trigger. There you go. Okay. Put another one in. Okay. Hold it.
Hold it close to the door.
Don't hit at Michael. Don't hit Michael. You can try if you did. Point it at Michael. Hold it at the door. At the door. Pull it. Pull the trigger.
So good.
Just one finger.
Okay, this.
Squeeze. Squeeze it hard. There. You gotta squeeze hard. See?